what's up? I'm sorry. There's a fan blowing outside. Sorry. But, yeah. But today, got the bubblegum Gfuel right here. And, yeah. Got the collector's box. Pretty cool. Got the cup. This has like a feel to it. Yeah. Another closer look. We got the little scoop that comes with it. No one cares about that. Throw that there. And got the bubblegum flavor sticker. That's the flavor. That's the sticker. And it came with 3 tattoos. It came with tattoos. Freaking camera. Apple sucks. But yeah, it's the 3 cameras. And I will put. Oh, wait a second. Don't try this at home. Well, maybe you should. Perfect. Yeah, it's kind of fan blowing in the back. Don't worry, it's hot in here. It's hot outside. That smells like bubblegum. That's bubblegum, alright. Gotta get the. Get the scoop out. Put some powder on my desk, but yeah. That's a scoop. Wait. It smells so good. I don't know. It smells good. Don't worry, my desk's clean. Come on. Powder stuck in the outside of the shaker cup. But it's only been 4 minutes. Alright. I will see you in a few minutes. Alright? Alright. Bubblegum Gfuel. Oh. Let's see how it tastes. See how it smells first in the water. smells like bazooka bubblegum. And that's what it smells like. Bazooka bubblegum. If you never had it, it's really good. Let's see how it tastes. That's pretty good. It's got like a fruity, like little, tastes like a, it tastes like there's like a little bit of lemon there. That's what it tastes like. There's like a little bit of lemon, but like I can't describe what bubblegum tastes like. It doesn't taste like bazooka bubblegum, but it's got like a little lemon flavor to it, like a little sour. Pretty good though. Pretty good. You can make that pink, nice pink color. And let's see. Oh yeah, so guys, I kind of moved down the Demonade Gfuel flavor. I kind of moved it down. You know. Hold up. Wait. Okay. So I kind of moved down I moved my things out of the way. Okay. So I kind of moved the Demonade to third because it's like a little weird and stuff. Yeah. See, it's not the greatest. It's still pretty good. It's still pretty good. Demonade. Stupid ad things. Alright. But I will put this flavor. This flavor is amazing. I'll give it a third taste. Third time's the best. Obviously, right? Right. Better be yours. I will put this at number 2. Number 2? No, this is number 1. This is number 1. Sorry, typo. Demonade was at my number 1 for a while. Demonade was at number 1 for a while, but then it moved down because spicy. And like the sweetness, it's a little weird. Typo. Get out of here now. Get this thing about to die. No king of the crown. There we go. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is it. I give this flavor perfect 9.5 out of 10. 9.5 out of 10. I could drink this every day. And I will see you next time. It's 15 calories. See, and this is 25. I mean, Demonade. Hold up. That's 15 calories. That's 15. And that's 15. It's the only one that's not 15 calories. Okay, never mind. There's my collector box wall. Stupid candles. my collector's box full. Doom. Bubblegum. June, you're a beast. Oh, June, you're a beast. Oh, June, you're a beast. Oh.